Imagine a cat, sealed in a box, simultaneously alive and dead. Sounds crazy, right? That's the essence of Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment that reveals a profound mystery about the universe. Today, we'll explore why this seemingly bizarre scenario matters. It's not about animal cruelty, but about illustrating the strange implications of quantum mechanics, the rules governing the incredibly small. Specifically, it highlights the concept of superposition, where particles exist in multiple states at once until observed. Schrödinger's cat demonstrates that quantum rules, which work perfectly for atoms, seem to break down when applied to everyday objects. The cat's state is linked to a quantum event, a radioactive atom decaying. Until we open the box, the atom is both decayed and not decayed, forcing the cat into a superposition of alive and dead. Interestingly, the experiment was designed as a critique. Schrödinger aimed to show how absurd it seemed to apply quantum mechanics to macroscopic objects. It sparked decades of debate about the role of observation in reality and the interpretation of quantum mechanics. Ultimately, Schrödinger's cat isn't about cats, it's about challenging our understanding of reality. It forces us to confront the weirdness at the heart of the universe and continues to inspire physicists today. So, did you find this mind-bending explanation helpful? Like this video to learn more about quantum physics, and subscribe for more science explorations.